Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials, battery level and phone power because stability matters. Next, enable Wi-Fi and find the drone SSID, usually labeled CAM or drone, then open the Wi-Fi cam app. Tap the network inside the app, enter the default password if asked, and initiate connection. Once done, wait for the live preview to appear. This confirms app-to-camera handshake. Make sure to keep the drone powered and within 10-30 meters for a reliable first link. Once connected, you configure the live feed and controls so you get usable footage. In the app, choose 720p for low bandwidth or 1080p for better detail. This balances quality versus range and battery drain. Then tweak bitrate and frame rate for smooth streaming and set orientation to match your phone. Next, map the control layout, tilt, joystick sensitivity, photo and video buttons, and test recording to the SD card. If playback works, you finish by validating flight readiness. Perform a brief hover test, record 10 to 30 seconds, then inspect the footage for stability and lag. Make sure automatic reconnect is enabled and run the app's firmware check to stay current. If the live feed fails or drops, try this one key troubleshooting flow. Close the app, toggle your phone Wi-Fi, reboot the drone, and reconnect exactly as you did initially. This sequence resolves most handshake and IP conflict issues fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.